I think I've uploaded 9 videos already today, right? Now I'm on my way to LAX and hoping and praying that it's 6 o'clock and something pops up towards my house and I don't have to stay. Basically, I'm one ride away from finishing up today. And I'm looking for a nice ride out. I hope I don't have to wait too long because I've made my money. If you look over here, I'm at, oh yeah, we got another tip. If you look over here, hey, come back here. We're already at $1,483. I wanted to be at $1,500 for the week. I'm there. Unless it's really hot and it makes sense for me to stay, I'm hoping to get one ride home and 40-50 bucks ideally. If not, whatever it gives me, I want to get out of here, right? I want to go home. I want to get ready, get some sleep, and basically get ready to drive early tomorrow morning for Monday. That's the plan. I'll take a look at that. That's a lot of tips. For 1 week, I have to say thank you to all these people. I've been waiting because I'm honestly been trying to figure out what's going on with the tips. Why is it that some days we get tips and some days we don't? Because I work my butt off. I serve every single passenger. Because I only do 5 or 6 rides, I make it all about them. And I'm just trying to figure it out. Why is it that Uber sometimes gives us a tip and sometimes they don't? Okay, I am pulling into LAX. Oh my goodness gracious, can't even pull in. That sounds kind of nasty, but I can't even go in right now. It's backed up all the way to the front gate. Oh, the tamale guy's here. All right. Why? Because it's surging over there for oh yeah, it's surging everywhere. I think it's gonna go through this queue too. It's gonna go through this fast. I don't think it's gonna take that long. Well, you will find out, but looks like everybody got the memo. Yeah, you see, in this situation, if something pops up, I might just take it, especially if it's short. But I'll keep an eye on the queue. I have a feeling it's gonna move pretty fast because when there's nowhere to park, it just kind of makes me worried because this is when it seems like the algorithm is hacked. And if you watch my videos in the past, oh, it's dark. If you watch my videos in the past, you'll notice I spent 9 hours waiting at LAX a couple of times trying to figure out why is it that I wasn't getting pushed. Then I spent 6 hours one day. Then I spent 3 hours one day. And eventually I learned my lesson. I was like, this is bullshit. I'm not going to do this anymore. So I come here, I check the algorithm. If there's nowhere to park and, you know, it's Sunday and people are coming back from the holidays and the algorithm's not moving, I'm out of here in 20 minutes. I'm out of here in 20 minutes. Because there's times where you come here and it's just disgusting. It's disgusting. It's actually moving. The time is 5:55 p.m. Angel numbers. Remember that. 555-444-333-222. These are very important numbers. And the red light is because there's Uber drivers. And it's a zoo over here. Literally a zoo. You can't even move in the parking lot right now. It's disgusting. But let me tell you how many airplanes are here. Oh, bro, you're going the wrong way. Oh, he just stole someone's parking spot. Oh, sometimes people start fighting out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see 10 airplanes coming. I don't think I'm going to be here too long. And I can remember the time, 5:55 p.m. It's like right now there's a dude trying to go the other way, the wrong way on a one-way. And I'm like, no, my friend. I just gave him the look. I literally went, no. Not in my house, right? And then he turned his wheels the other way. Homeboy in a Camry started going the other way. I just gave him the look. I was like, okay, here's another idiot going the wrong way. But actually, now I'm moving, right? Now I'm moving, it's all good. But when there's a bathroom and there's a triple, oh, parking, baby. When there's a bathroom and triple parked cars, don't go the wrong way because, like you know, you're messing it up for everybody. This must be a girl coming out. Oh, I said if you match me, I'll go. Yeah, let's go. We'll go for $27. It's popping because there's nowhere to park. I don't want to sit here. I don't want to wait. I want to make my money. I want to go. Boom. Let's go. Then from there, I can use something else to go. So look at that. I barely got here, right? I barely got here. Nowhere to park, right? Like, you have to be intelligent. You have to be smart here. If I sit here, yes, in 15, 20, 30 minutes, I might be able to make $5 more, $10 more. But there is a chance that somebody can hack the app and you get stuck in the parking lot and you get put at the end of the queue and nothing is gonna happen. Let's see. Like, I can't even leave the parking lot right now. Mr. Eric, God bless you. Hopefully we have a great conversation. We can turn that $25 into $35. That would be awesome. God, Father, Buddha, Allah, Ra, Krishna, Tao, come on, hook me up. I named all 6 gods. And if you're atheist, well, God can't be atheist, right? I don't think God can be atheist. Anyways, guys, this video is going up. I am trying, you know what? I can't even get out of the parking lot. I'm just gonna leave. Thank God at LAX we have like 2 exits. We have 2 exits. Because the main exit that I'm supposed to take, forget it. I think it's gonna take me a little bit of time to pick him up. And watch, I'm actually gonna leave this up for a little bit because Uber has started doing this stupid new thing that you guys need to know about. Like, are you taking a detour? Are you stopped? Like, and it's so freaking annoying. This algorithm is retarded. I'm telling you, this algorithm is retarded. If it pops up, I'll let you know. Otherwise, normally by now I upload the video.